Tidal energy. How it works. Tidal energy is produced by the ebb and the flow of water, which makes a water turbine spin, thus producing energy. Water turbines. The water turbine is like a windmill, but one that is underwater. And here are some illustrations of what a water turbine looks like. The ebb and the flow of the tide. The ebb and the flow of water is caused by the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon. These tides give you up to 10 hours of energy a day and are extremely predictable. Interesting facts. Tidal energy is one of the oldest sources of energy and is completely renewable. It also has an efficiency of up to 80%.
Tidal energy, the world's most reliable energy source. Twice a day, and every day since the world began, the oceans produce powerful water currents and tidal movements that are so reliable they can be predicted years in advance. For centuries, mankind has sought to exploit this massive source of potential energy. In Roman times and the Middle Ages, mill wheels driven by flowing water were used extensively for grinding wheat into flour. Until recently, there has been little development in our ability to harness this huge resource of power. Today, the wonders of modern technology have allowed us to extract this huge potential of raw energy for the production of electricity without harming the environment. So why the focus on tidal energy? The world has an increasing insatiable appetite for power. Global warming is compelling us to move away from fossil fuel and other high-risk fuels to clean, green, renewable sources. What are the advantages of tidal energy? It's renewable and sustainable. Seawater is 832 times denser than air, which means an 8-knot tidal current has more energy than a 380 km/h wind. Once a turbine is installed, tidal energy is free. No expensive fuel is required. It has a very low maintenance cost. Tides are predictable many years in advance. There is no impact on the visual amenity as tidal turbine is underwater. It is the most energy dense of any renewable energy source. It produces energy for the lowest cost. According to international environmental expert Dr. David Suzuki, tidal energy has one of the smallest footprints of any renewable energy resource.
And here's another illustration of how water turbines work. Here you see the ebb and the flow of the tide turning the water turbine, and you are able to see how it spins like a windmill. The turbines sit on a gearbox shaft, which produces energy. And underwater cables carry the electricity to land. Thank you.